Alright, day 7. Feel great. Today's the day we go to Everest. It's also the longest day. 9 hours. You'll see. It's a long hike. Go here, go there, whatever. Also, I'm feeling much better. Yesterday I was feeling like shit. It's crazy how much a little bit of sleep can do for you. The sun is just about rising. Today's a super long day, so we're waking up at 6:30. You can see a lot of clouds, which is not a good sign because remember we pulled up our itinerary by 1 day to avoid the storm. It seems like it's still coming. God, it's hard to talk. Alright, we gotta clean up all this shit and go to breakfast. Off we go. Longest day.
Yes.
9 hours. First, do glorification, lunch, leave bags, EBC, come back, ARDAventures. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. There's also ox.
Yeah.
Not yak. It's very cold. Let's put on these gloves. Alright. Amazing views. Camera's dying because it's so cold. But 2 hours to Gorkashep, then EBC, then back, then Kalapatar. If the sunset's good, then come back. All if the storm doesn't come. And if not, we do Kalapatar sunrise tomorrow. And then we start heading down. But Tim and Ping Ping, they're gonna take the helicopter next day all the way. Oh my God, look at that face. Some Red Bull athlete. You gotta come here, find this mountain, and go down. It's like 90 degrees. That is crazy. We're following the animals. Climbing higher. We are walking amongst the giants. Look at these ox. They're patiently waiting for instructions. Glaciers here, and it really looks like an old mining town, but they were telling us that it's all natural, just erosion and landslides. Hard to believe. It's crazy. This thing is a glacier, but it doesn't look like one because of all the dust and rocks and shit all over it. But under it, it's all ice. It's so quiet. Listen. Only human footsteps. No life. No birds. Nothing. Just tourists. Just tourists.
Be careful here.
Alright. There's some ice along the way. Alright, that's Gorkashep. We made it. That is it. Tiny ass town. Tonight, we sleep here. But they got some horses too. Next to these mountains. Cool place. I'm sure it's cold as fuck. 5,190 meters. We can't cannot provide drinking water. In for another adventure. Oh, by the way, normally I've been drinking either bottled water or boiled water, because when the water boils, the parasites and whatever shit's in the water, they all die off, so it becomes safe to drink. But at this altitude, water boils at a lower temperature, so the boiling water you get might not be hot enough to kill the parasites. So I've been using the iodine drops as well, so make sure you have those before you come here. All right, we even got fuel for tonight. Keep us nice and warm. Yuck shit. There's no fucking American flag. I swear, no American flag. I didn't see in any of the tea houses. Let's see, we got dollars. Oh, $1. Cool. Oh, good view.
The Everest, not say.
Which one's Everest? Oh,
Everest is like the
clouds.
Cloud, yeah.
Yeah. We'll see closer.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm coming.
Yeah, sure.
Lock the door. How am I gonna put this in my pocket? Buddha Lodge. Very nice place here. Relying on solar power. That seems broken. I know. It's hard at this altitude. That's very nice. I think it might be the prettiest place we've stayed. Because now we're really close to these big mountains. This one I really like. Now we're gonna have some garlic noodle soup. Garlic is kind of like altitude medicine, they say. Of course, I don't know, but I just follow what they say. And then we're on our way to EBC, maybe 2-3 hours. I'm dying.
No.
That's okay?
Yeah.
74, alright.
Yeah.
Very high.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's okay.
96 in the heartbeat.
Garlic noodle soup and black tea. Alright, finished lunch. Now gonna get ready to go to EBC. About a 2-3 hour walk from here. But it's pretty cold, so need to suit up. Jump. We are off to EBC. A patch of ice. That's the base camp. Last push. Maybe 1 hour, maybe less. I have a terrible headache. I imagine it's the same with everyone else. Altitude sickness is no joke. Alright. Pretty much flat. Nepali flat means a little up and down. But the real question is, how much up the glacier is the base camp? We shall see. There it is. The rock before the glaciers. I feel like shit. My body's like, how many more fucking signals do you want? I'm telling you to stop going higher. We need oxygen. We're almost there. Push through. Got it. No chance. All right, let's go take a photo and head back home. Wide. Yeah. It's a bit cloudy because the storm is coming. Peak over there. That's Everest. Alright, well, it's all downhill from here. They better be cooking some good yuck shit when we get back to the hotel. 'Cause I have the worst headache I've ever had. Not good. Next to me is Lukla Airport, also known as the airport for Mount Everest, also known as the most dangerous airport in the world due to its super short runway and hazardous weather conditions. That's also why flights only leave at 6:30 in the morning. That's why we're up here. Our goal is to get to Kathmandu from here. I'm here because I just recently completed the Everest Base Camp hike. And now, if my flight does not get canceled, hopefully, I will get to Kathmandu and meet a local that I befriended earlier, and he will show me the hidden parts of Kathmandu that most tourists don't see. Let's see if our flight's going to get canceled. Pilot to fly this route have to go through an extra additional training, because look at how short that runway is. And we're gonna go through these mountains, and it's gonna be a hell of a choppy, turbulent ride. I know, because I took the helicopter here, and that's how it was. And a lot of people I met on the trek told me that there were a lot of screaming people on their flights to Lukla. I'm the only one here. So the way it works is there are 4 companies that do this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. They each bring their airplanes from Kathmandu to here, and then they fly back. They do that maybe 3 times, 4 times a day. It's called first flight, second flight, third flight, and so on. They do it as much as they can until the weather turns into shit and they can't fly in here anymore. So if you can, try to get first flight, because that's the least likely to be canceled. Unfortunately, I'm the only one left for second flight. Everyone else left on first flight. I don't know why. Maybe because I was last in line and the plane filled up. Probably because Like, it's a pretty primitive airport. There's no security. It's just they tap you down. They kind of hand search your bags, and you have no seat numbers. Just get in the plane, and you know it's like this. It's kind of like a come as you are airport, or I don't know what to call it. Yeah. So probably they just assign you to a flight based on how early you get here, and maybe the flight filled up, and I was the only one left out of all 4 companies. Everyone made it to first flight except for me. Maybe more will come, but if not, it'll be a private flight to Kathmandu. Living the luxury life here, you know. Got it. Pretty boring flight. Quite a letdown. I was expecting much more turbulence. I heard stories of 10-meter drops, people screaming, crying, nothing like that. False advertisements. Anyways, let me find a taxi, check into my hostel, and go. Oh yeah, we're going.